Topic is cause and effect expression. So, cause and effect expression. So, cause is a like action. There are two sentences in a sentence. So, where the first sentence we call it as action and the second sentence we call it as effect. Okay. So, whatever happened first we call it as cause and whatever happened second we take it as effect. That is what cause and effect means. So to combine and bring out the expression of these two, cause and effect, we use an expression and those expressions we call it as linking words. So before seeing what are the expressions, we will see in depth what is this cause. So again I would like to explain, cause is something that happens first and the effect is something that happens second. So cause means why and the effect is what. Okay. So what this expression does. So cause and effect, to combine both the sentence we use few linking words and those linking words brings the result of and the relationship between the two. So when you use an reaction, that is the expression to combine these two sentences, even it can be in conjunction. So that expression brings the relation between the cause and the effect. So the cause expression words and effect expression words we have, and cause expression words are because, since and as. So these are the three, and you have more where I would like to specifically mention where often used cause expressing words, and the effect expressing words are due to, so, as a result, on account, wherefore, etc. So where these words we often use to highlight the effect, not the cause. So here I have an example where I would like to explain in detail. That is, there was a heavy rain the whole day. That is one sentence. And the match was cancelled. So here, there was a heavy rain the whole day is the action that happened first and followed by the match was cancelled. This is the action that happened second. So we take the first sentence as the cause and the second sentence as the effect. So now, to bring the relation between the cause and the effect, we can use either the cause expressing words or the effect expressing words. So here I have used almost all the expression to bring out the difference of the sentence. So here I am using as. So whenever we use as, since, we always use it as the beginning expression, beginning word. So as there was a heavy rain the whole day. Okay, as there was a heavy rain the whole day, the match was cancelled. So this as, it stresses on the cause, not on the effect, and tells that because of this action, first action, the second action happened. And since is a preposition, but here we can use it as a expression, whereas when we use since as an expression, we should be very clear enough where the word should have a period of time mentioning. So here there was a heavy rain the whole day. The whole day means from morning till evening, but the period of day is mentioned. So we are using the time mentioning expression since as a linking word here. And to express about the effect, there was a heavy rain the whole day, so the match was cancelled. So using this expression, it tells more about, or it stresses more about the effect, not the cause. And because there was a heavy rain the whole day, okay, the match was cancelled because there was a heavy rain whole day. So here I would like to mention this, because we cannot start a sentence with because. We are supposed to use it as a conjunction always. We always use to combine both the sentences. So here, if I start, because it's a cause expressing word, where if I start, if I use the expression because, I start with the effect. So the match was cancelled because there was a heavy rain the whole day. So whatever expression we use, so it focuses on either the cause or the effect. So what expression expresses on what happening. That is what this cause and effect expressing linking words tells about. Okay. So what you should understand one more thing. Without these linking words, those sentences will be two different independent sentences. There will not be any relationship between the first sentence and the second sentence. So whenever you write a sentence in a paragraph, always tries to use these linking words where it tells about the relationship between the previous sentence and the next sentence and the following sentence, which adds more value to your writing. Thank you.